Pajama Girl Live here. You want to see how I make my special tea? Anytime I get a little stuffy, bit congested all up in the head, need a little relief, from all that coughing and sneezing. It's allergy season. This is what I do. So this is how I make my tea. I use some clove. I don't know if you can see that. Some whole clove. Put that in my cup. Now the water's already semi-boiled, right? Now they tell you, put the clove in the water and boil for about 15 minutes. I didn't want to wait. So I did that. I did a shortcut, y'all. Next, cinnamon. Now you might say, well, what is clove good for? Arthritis, pain, inflammation. Get rid of that arthritis. Now cinnamon, I love cinnamon. What does cinnamon do? I just use some regular ground cinnamon, a couple dashes, in the tea. Well, cinnamon is good for stabilizing your blood sugar and your blood pressure. Next, apple cider vinegar. I use Bragg's. Y'all like Bragg's? I love Bragg's. Just a little goes a long way. Now I'm gonna have to I need to put the phone down for just a second, okay? Hold on, because I gotta open the bottle. Hold on. Okay, and next we have just a little peppermint. I know you might be like, peppermint? Yep, a little peppermint candy. So I'm gonna drop a little peppermint candy, just this little round little disc right here. You little church mints, old lady mints as y'all call them. Drop that in there to it helps to open up the sinus passages. And of course, lastly, agave. Now you can use any kind of sugar you want, but I like agave because it's really good on the blood sugar. It doesn't make it spike like regular blood sugar. And it's all natural. It's good for you. And of course, you can add your tea. Now today, I'm just having some regular decaffeinated, store-bought decaf black tea. See if I can open this box. Gotta put the phone down again. Hold on. Gotta get it out the box and out the bag. Go ahead and add your water. And while I'm doing that, I've got food already in the dryer. In the air fryer. Can't talk today. Just woke up, y'all. Forgive me. And I've got to run down the hall and get my food so it doesn't burn. So now we have the agave, the peppermint candy, the apple cider vinegar, and we've got some cloves, some cinnamon, and we have this specially brewed tea here. And there you have it. Specially brewed tea in my little cup. I don't know if y'all can see it, probably not, but it is in the cup. And I'm going to drink that. Alright, at Pajama Girl Live. Happy Thursday. Remember to pray, play, and plant. Get your rest. Bye now.